street. E is for elephant, strong and tall. F is for fox, so sly and so small. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for iguana, so scaly and green. J is for jellyfish, floating unseen. K is for kangaroo, hopping so free. L is for lion, the jungle's big key. M is for monkey, swimming with glee. N is for narwhal, wild in the sea. O is for owl, who stays up all night. P is for penguin, all dressed in white. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with stripes in a row. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, sing a tune. X is for x-ray fish, glowing like the moon. Y is for yak with long shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, striped with great flair.